Hello, and welcome to this orientation course. My name is Tim Notebaum. I am the Dean and Director of the School of Physical Therapy at South College, and welcome to our Doctor of Physical Therapy program. Each of you has a great 2 years in front of you. We look forward to working with you day in and day out in this accelerated program that's unique, that is going to be challenging, but ultimately rewarding. I know that many of you had choices on where you went to physical therapy school, and we're very glad that you chose South College because we think that together we can support you, we can train you, not only to be a good physical therapist, but to be the type of physical therapist that makes an impact in this ever-changing healthcare environment. So I look forward to meeting all of you face to face in June. But in the meantime, I hope that you find this orientation course to be helpful in giving you that first taste of an online accelerated physical therapy program and prepares you for success, because that's ultimately what we want for each one of you, is to be successful in our program and in your career. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great orientation. See you in June.